This app's appears show you.
How to set Google Map satellite mode in iPhone. So if you want to view your Google Map in satellite mode, here's how to enable it. Go ahead and launch your Google Maps app. And now you have to tap on this icon. And under map type, you will get satellite. Just select it. And that's it. Now you can view your Google Map in satellite mode. And if you want to get back the Google Map normal mode, you have to tap on this icon again and select default. And then you'll be able to view your Google Map in normal mode. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.